Hi, mathematicians. Before we can go on our virtual egg hunt today, we have to set up our math notebook so that we can collect all of our work and all of our answers. It's going to kind of be like our virtual egg basket. So what I need you to do is open up your math notebooks to a clean page. And the first thing I want you to do is put the date in the upper right-hand corner. Then I want you to draw a big plus sign so that you have 4 squares. And I want you to label them 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I want you to turn to the back or turn your page, and I want you to do the same thing. Draw a big plus sign and label it 5, 6, 7, 8. I want you to put a star next to number 8 because number 8 is a challenge, and I want you to save that for last. I also have 2 other tips for you, mathematicians. Remember, when we are solving multi-step problems, it's really important that we think about what do we know, what do we need to find out, and what do we need to consider. Remember, when we read a problem, let's think about all of the information that the problem tells us. What do we know? And you can underline it or you can jot it down in your notebook. Then I want you to pay really close attention to that question. What do you have to find out in order to solve the problem? You can circle that question. You can put little squiggly marks under it. And finally, the last thing you have to do is you have to think about what do you have to consider? What operations will you have to use? And since we're doing multi-step problems today, you're probably going to have to use 2 of them. So, will you have to add, subtract, multiply, or divide? Don't forget to use your keywords resource if you get stuck. And finally, friends, don't forget that drawing a step as your organizer can help you to tackle each step of the multi-step problem. So what do you have to do first? And then that answer will lead you to the next step to get your final answers. Okay, mathematicians, once your notebooks are ready with your squares and your numbers, it's time for you to start searching for eggs and solving them.